All right, so you want to go into your controls, come to the bottom and click on service. And on the right, you'll see the wiper service mode. And what this is going to do when you push it is the wiper is going to come up slightly so you can service the wipers. So let me go and click on this. Okay, so what you want to do is lift up your arm and be careful because this is under spring. This is spring loaded right here. So make sure that you're not, letting this thing drop on your glass. I just want to show you here where the little clips are, and it's right here, little clips. You got one on both sides. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna push this and you're gonna slide this whole wiper blade arm forward this way. And this is gonna unclip from this arm right here. So let me see if I can do it with one hand. Oh yeah, here it comes. So I'm squeezing right here and it comes right off. Okay. And again, lay down this arm gently on the glass, and then this is where the hose connects right here. So what I like to do is grab the bottom, with this little adapter right here. You just want to grab onto it and try and basically like twist it off. And you might actually damage this hose, but don't worry, just keep a good grip on this connector right here and yank it right off and it comes off just like that. And you guys can see this wiper is torn. Okay, so just go ahead and remove the little plastic protector that's on the new wiper blades. Take that off and you guys can see, let me show you the OE, the original, and what the aftermarket one looks like. And you can see it looks very much identical. It's got a little wind, what do you call it, like a spoiler right here. I mean, it doesn't get any more exact than this. And like I was saying, this is a frameless wiper. Okay, so it looks like this one came with the little adapter right here. So we're gonna pull this one off on the main arm. All right, so make sure you guys get a good grip on the bottom part of this hose right here. Let me just take it off. Get a good grip right here and just do your best to twist this thing off, back and forth. Get this connector off just like that, okay? And this particular wiper blade came with a new adapter, as you guys can see right here. And we're gonna go and slide this one right on, all the way just like that. And we're going to go ahead and clip the hose back on the little adapter right here, little clips for your hose. Okay. Okay. Just like that, you can slide these clips up and down to get a good fit. Okay. All right, so to clip this wiper blade on here, you want to basically tilt the blade so you get that little notch inside this part right here. Okay, and then remember those two little clips on both sides? You want to pinch that like this and then just push down and it'll snap right into place. So that's all there's to it, simple as that. And just make sure that the actual fluid hose is tucked under the blade and under these clips really good. Okay, and then we'll do the other side. We're going to pull the clip off. And we're going to twist off this hose with the connector. And we're going to take the plastic cover off the new wipers. And I think this time we're going to put the wiper blade on first and push that in and then just push down and it snaps right in. Okay, and then slide your fluid hose onto the new wiper. Tuck it under the little hose clip right here. Make sure everything is lined up. That's all there's to it. Took me about 15 seconds. Okay, and then once you're done installing, just come back into your car and click on wiper service, and the arm will go back down. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and test the wipers. We actually just added some fluid into the bottle. It was out, so went to the store and bought some. So anyways, you got to push this little button right here really hard all the way in. And one nice thing about this particular system is that you're not getting a bunch of overspray over your car. You guys can see there's no water up here, just a little bit beyond the wiper length, but here it's all nice and dry. But there you go. So if you guys were to go out and buy this through Tesla, they charge anywhere from $60 to $80. And I bought these aftermarket wipers on Amazon just over $32, I believe. And I'm going to leave a link down below in the description where you guys can go find that on Amazon. And if you guys found this video to be helpful, I would love if you guys would consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up. So hope you guys have a blessed day, and just want to say thank you guys for supporting this channel for all these years. And there's a lot more automotive repair content coming up, plus more Tesla videos coming up, and hope you guys will stick around for that. So until then, we'll see you guys in the next video, and have an awesome day.